some guy pulls up, kid, a younger guy. He's like, yeah, that's it. And then he gets out of his car. He's like, shook my hand. I was like, that's the LS Postal truck. I seen it on Facebook and everywhere. I'm like, oh, okay. I'm David Stacy. I'm from LaPorte, Indiana. 2 years ago, I was like, I come to Holley LS Fest for 10 years now. And I wanted something different. 2 years ago, we was driving, and the mailman pulled out in front of us. I told my old lady, I says, I think we should do a post office truck for LS Fest. All right, let's start looking for one. Took 2 years to find it. And it was in a hometown where I was at, and it was sitting by somebody's garage. And I was like, my uncle helped me get it, and it was pretty much get it, and then all of a sudden, you gotta build it. And when you start building it, it's like, geez, you gotta get all these parts, and then a lot of people have helped me. You guys helped me just getting things going. Summit, Jegs. It was running in 4-cylinder mode in July. And it was September now, and I had it done 2 days ago. And it was running 2 days ago. Today, finally got all the bugs mostly out of it, and some little things done, but it's running now. 2 years in my head, and then less than 3 months making.
And debut at where else?
LS Fest. That's 10-year anniversary. That was my goal. Something stuck out. My goal was I wonder if I can get it on a t-shirt. There's so many people. I was 60 miles out. My trailer broke its axle, and we had to drive it here. Stopped at a gas station. Some guy pulls up, a kid, a younger guy, and his girlfriend or whatever, and he's like, yeah, that's it. And then he gets out of his car. He's like, shook my hand. I was like, that's the LS Postal truck. I seen it on Facebook and everywhere. I'm like, oh, okay. It blew up like I didn't think it was going to do. And I've gone postal. So, all my life. I've been working on cars with my uncles and since I was probably 14, 13 years old. Working on semis, and I started working on my own stuff. I got a 32 by 40 shop and got a Holley mid-rise intake. I got your Holley 42cc injectors. I'd like to have a lot more, just not right now. I just don't have the funds right now, but I got a lot of other stuff on there as well. Couldn't find nothing for cold air induction, so I took an SS 2012 cold air inductions kit, cut it up and put it on there. I had to modify the steering on it. It's running a 6L90 transmission, LY6 6-liter in it, custom drive shaft. It's got an 8.8 Explorer in, non-cut, 4-wheel disc brake. You got a lot of the GM parts you see on there. They all came from local dealership Sowers. I buy my stuff from, and they hooked me up over there. It's always nice to know on the local GM dealership they can help you out.
Absolutely. It's a big collaborative effort all the way through, huh?
And a lot of people is O'Reilly's, AutoZone, intake and fuel rails. I got that from AutoZone. And it's like, wow. They told me that. I was like, all right.
So we heard you're going to enter the burnout contest.
Let's say I'm going to try, but yes, I am.
Awesome, man.
Got some tires we can destroy, brand new ones. We'll see how that works out. Everybody else will probably go right. I'll be going left, or the other way around. I don't want to fall off the truck. It's a little top heavy, I think, a little bit, but we're going to try to get through that.
Thanks for coming out here, David.
Thank you very much.
And perfectly cool.